Welcome back to the Suburban Dad channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I build this Pinewood Derby truck on my CNC. Here we go. So when I start these kind of 3D projects, the first thing I do is go into Google and type in what it is I'd like to make. And I find that a lot easier than trying to build the file myself. And you can almost always find whatever it is you want to make that somebody else has already put together and designed. And so sometimes I'll just go through the image and say, okay, what pops out to me? And in this case, it was this truck. So this was a free STL image on Cult 3D. I'm looking through the pictures, you can see it's got a good profile. There's good detail on the front. Obviously this person 3D printed it, and they made it into some other kind of vehicle, but all I really need is the body. And as we look through these images, you can see somebody's taken some 3D modeling software and rendered this thing, so I don't have to. So the only thing left to do is to start cutting it out. First I ran the roughing pass with a 1/4 inch end mill to remove the bulk of the material. This is what the roughing pass looks like when it's finished, and we'll start on the finishing pass now. The finishing pass is accomplished with a tapered ball nose bit that allows me to put a lot of detail into the model. And I'm not going to show you everything here, but here the CNC is cutting the grill out of the truck. That was probably the most detailed part. Once the detail passes are run, you're left with a bunch of pieces. These all get glued up into the final product. I decided when I was finishing it not to paint it and just leave the natural wood finish, and I'm really happy with the way it turned out. You'll notice in the bed that there are some pieces missing, and I drilled some holes out, and that's just to comply with the 5 ounces that's necessary for a Pinewood Derby car. But anyway, that's what I built. Thanks for watching.